What is up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back and I have another case for you. iPad Pro 12.9 2020, and this is the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360. So let's check this thing out. So I have not taken this out. I have not tried it on. I had one for my 11-inch. If you guys have been with me since then, I reviewed this exact same case for the 11-inch. But first things first, let's go back in time and let's look at the other case. And I have it right here for my 11-inch. This is the original case, the gray one that I bought. This one comes in the same gray color, but I bought the purple one this time just to kind of mix it up. But let's read the back. Let's do this together. Like I said, I haven't opened this thing up. I was waiting on you guys, so here we go. You get drop protection, big check. You get clear, scratch-resistant exterior, which we'll get into that in just a little bit. Multi-position stand, auto sleep wake. It also covers that pencil, so it protects the pencil. Okay, let's go back to the clear, scratch-resistant exterior. 2018 was a great year. Got my iPad, picked up this case, very first case I bought, very first case, and some would say this is the actual case and iPad that started my channel, the 2018. Now, look at the back. And I'm sure you can see that. All those scratches. Get a little closer. Scratch after scratch after scratch. Now, this is supposed to be clear, scratch resistant. My iPads, and if you've been here before with me, my iPads, I change the cases out on a regular basis because I have a lot of them coming in. I test a lot of different cases, but I do not drop my iPad. I do not slam my iPad. I take care of my iPad. I paid a lot of money for my device. I don't hurt it in any kind of way. With that being said, those scratches on that 2018 case came from normal wear and tear. So it will get scratched up. This case is going to cost you $90. That's another downside. So it claims that it's scratch resistant. It will scratch, and it costs $90. Now, I'm not knocking this case because it's a great case. I love this case. It's one of the best cases I ever had. But don't tell me something is scratch resistant and it scratches and it costs $90. Just don't do it. Otherwise, this is the case that we're getting into. So I've taken it out of the box for you guys. Like I said, this is brand new. Never been opened. Just telling you how to use it. Got some instructions in here. All your warranty information, all that's in there. Let's get started. Soft microfiber lining over here. And your clear, scratch resistant backing. Let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and take the pencil off. All right. These edges are actually rubberized, so you want to make sure you get them all the way up and around, all the way around. Now, first thing I'm always looking for is my auto sleep wake. You know the slogan, if you see all might, it's all right. Now, close, shut. Okay, auto sleep wake is a go. Big check. Pencil charging on the go, we're good. We are protected. Looks good, feels good in the hand. Not too bulky, rather light, feels good holding it. Clear cutouts down bottom. Clear cutouts up top. Tactile button right here. Tactile. And the camera has a nice recess right there. Perfect. And you still get to see the back of that iPad right through there on the back. So they don't claim it's scratch proof. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that out there. But I would say it shouldn't have as many scratches as my other one had with just normal wear and tear. So I'm gonna put that out there. It's not scratch proof, scratch resistant. Just like water resistant doesn't mean waterproof. So let me just clear that up because somebody will beat me up all about that I'm just saying this thing will get scratches. I just wanted to prove a point. It will get scratched up. So normal wear and tear, you saw the amount of scratches, and I do baby my devices. So that's with babying. Just keep that in mind. And auto sleep wake is a go. Pencil is covered. So let's actually look at our different angles. So you just tri-fold it up. Get your standing angle for your entertainment mode. And the only bad thing about that flap is it's gonna hang out up top. So you're not gonna be able to do anything, fold it back, nothing like that. And then your second angle right here. And if you need a typing angle, there you go. Get your fingers down, you're good to go. All in all, this is a pretty decent case. Now, you're gonna pay for this one. Like I said, 90 bucks up front, but you're gonna protect your device. I stand behind this device. Only thing I don't like is it got so many scratches on it. But other than that, like I said, it's not scratch proof, scratch resistant, but take care of your devices and they'll take care of you. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This is the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360 for the brand new 2020 line of iPads. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up. I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this thing out for yourself. I picked this up on Apple's website. Like I said, 90 bucks, but it's worth it for that $1,000 device. Until next time, be sure and give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.